Okay, Bill Lebowski here, Lebowski bowling, but that's another subject entirely. Okay, like I said, Bill Lebowski here, Lebowski bowling with my Sony RX100M7, and what we're testing here today is the little Saramonic, the real small one, with a little furry little dead cat on it. Actually, I got two on it because the wind, you hear it a lot, so I put two of those on, and you still hear it when it's outside and it's windy. So we're testing it. I already tested the roadie, a big roadie, and the bigger phallic symbol Saramonic that has its own gold shoe on it that you just put onto another shoe. I got a cage around the my Sony. But anyway, for all you bowlers out there, sports fans, again, this is Bill Lebowski coming to you live. Taking calls, Hollywood, taking calls. Women in prison, by the way, I'm available. Yeah. No 300-pounders. No judgment, but if no grass grows where you set foot, sorry, I don't like being crushed. Anyway, how does this sound? 2 feet away, whistling, whisper, 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 some enchant, belly high, belly high. Okay, so we're just testing to see how it sounds. I don't want to be lugging the big Saramonic or the big roadie, but I will, because we got the Coney Island Mermaid Parade coming up, and I want to have some good sound as well as some good video. Do I know what I'm doing? Of course not. I can't even name what this little thing is. It's a little Saramonic. It's a cute little thing with the little cat fur ball on it like that. The little cover, the little... Okay, enough of that. But how does it sound? 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. About 5 feet away now. Test. By the way, Bill Lebowski, Lebowski bowling, the king of the pins. Absolutely. Okay, I watched the big Lebowski one too many times, which is why I got the t-shirt. I was looking at the dude abides. The dude abides. Absolutely. Maybe I ought to get the sweater, you know? Should I pop open a Budweiser now? Yeah. Okay. But anyway, I'm testing it out. 2 feet away. 2 feet away, 2.5 feet away now. How does it sound? I don't even know if I'm in the frame, to be honest. Who cares? I'm just seeing what the sound sounds like, because I don't want to go lugging around a bigger mic, but I will for the parade, if it sounds better. From what I tested already, the roadie sounds pretty good, but it's got a monster dead cat fur ball on it, and it covers like a third of the camera, but it sounds good. The Saramonic ain't too bad. A little higher pitched, yeah, it's not too bad. That phallic symbol Saramonic with its own cold shoe, not cold shoe, but it's male-female thing. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm probably going to use that. It looks more professional. The roadie's a tad sound better, maybe, and it looks ridiculous. It's bouncing all around. It's, but I don't know. But anyway, this little bugger does the job in a pinch. You just put it in there on the side on the mic jack, and you get pretty good sound as compared to like the inherent mics in the camera. 2 little dingers that you can't even see. They're like little specks, which do a good little job for 2 little tiny dots, but the bigger you can go on a mic, the better sound you're going to get. That's just linear. So, okay. Alright, sports fans, that's about it. What do you think of my kitchen? It's a dump. I know. I'm a slob. Slabo. But I clean up now and then. Yeah, if Holly Berry comes by, I'll clean the place up. If she ain't coming by, it's going to stay a dump. Anyway, that's it, sports fans. This is Bill Lebowski signing off. The dude abides. May the force, whatever that is, be with you. Take care, my friends.